Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican living in Switzerland. Today I'm going to teach you how to make carne en su jugo. It's a traditional soup made in the state I'm from, Jalisco, from the city of Guadalajara. So come with me and let's start preparing this delicious soup. Okay, so the ingredients we need to make our carne en su jugo is 1 kilogram of, this is called Siedfleisch here in Switzerland. So in the German-speaking countries, that's what you would have to ask for, Siedfleisch. If you're in the US, Canada, those areas, you can ask for sirloin. And in Mexico, just ask for meat for carne en su jugo. Really easy, the butcher will know. You're gonna need 1 cube of Knorr chicken stock or 1 spoonful of the powder one. About 2 cups of beans. 2 cups of the bean stock, 1 cup of water, 400 grams of tomatillos. These were grown in my garden last summer. Half an onion, 1 tomato, 3 chile serranos, which were also from my garden, 2 garlic cloves, 8 slices of bacon, and a big bunch of coriander. So this is the meat. We ask the butcher to cut it quite thin, and you can see. What you have to do, I hate fat, so I usually take the fat off. Get rid of that. If you want to leave it on, that's up to you. And you just cut small pieces. They're about this size. Okay, so let's start cutting our meat. The meat is cut. Okay, so we also have to chop up our bacon. Just grab a slice, or you can pile them up faster. You do it in small cubes. Okay, so the next step is putting the next ingredients in the blender. You're going to put your 3 serrano peppers. You have to cut the tails off first. 1 tomato, also cut off the center, put it in the blender. Half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, a bunch of coriander, the 400 grams of tomatillos. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of ground chicken stock. And so it blends more easily, I'm going to put 1 cup of water in there. Okay, next step is to put in our chopped bacon in a pan with hot oil. We're going to make it nice and crunchy, and then we're going to take it out, leaving the oil in the pan. Our bacon is crispy. Took it out of the pan and I left the bacon fat in there. So now we're going to put the meat in there so it gets sealed. So our meat is sealed. You don't have to cook it, just seal it, and if you can see here, it's let loose all the juices, which is where it gets its name of carne en su jugo, which means meat in its juices. Here we're going to add all the items we blended earlier. We're going to add 1 liter of water, 2 cups of bean broth, a bowl of beans, which is also about 2.5 cups. And from the bacon we fried earlier, about half the portion of that bacon, the other half we're gonna leave for a garnish. Okay, I poured everything in the pot. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook for about an hour. After the hour we can taste it to see if it needs more salt. If not, then it's done. Okay, so it's been a bit over an hour. The soup is cooked, but I tasted it and it needs a bit more salt, so I'm just gonna add a dash of salt just to season it more, and it's ready to eat. Okay, so our soup is finally done. This soup is usually accompanied with tortillas or quesadillas, but thanks to the group I manage on Facebook, I've realized it's not so easy to get them around the world. So I made bolillos, and you can find the recipe link in my channel if you're interested in making them. But now let's try our soup. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, that's good. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.